Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add apps on Dekstop on Windows 11. And this is quite simple. Alright, the first thing that you need to know that if you want a default application on your desktop, you need to go to settings on your PC. So let's go to start, settings, then let's go personalization, let's go to themes, then scroll to desktop icon settings, and then from here select all the standard desktop icons that you want to have on your desktop. Now for me it's fine now, but if you do apply, you can see it just right here that all the standards desktop icons are here from now. Now if you want to delete them, we select them, then do delete, select them and do delete. And right now if you want to add an other app like WhatsApp or Instagram, first you need to download it here in the Microsoft Store. And then after that, when you downloaded that, we can go to start, click here on all, search for the app that you want to add to the desktop. And then from here, click on it, hold it and throw it to your desktop. So right now we have here the application WhatsApp. And right now, if I click on WhatsApp, he will open WhatsApp. So this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.